What's up, bag holders? It's time for the main account. Market was up, so no flips. And let's catch up our spreadsheet. I did get rid of some Bitcoin. All in the same day, it looks like. Let's go down to the right time frame. And you can see a sideways action, but there was opportunity here. Buy, sell. Beautiful move, right? There's money just sitting out in the universe. If you know what to look for, you just go out and grab it. All right. So as they do like to date together, we did get rid of some Ethereum too. This was a way bigger move. We made almost double on this trade. So overall, between the two, about 8-9% on the day today. So that's freaking awesome. And this little trade in the crypto things is going really well. It looks like we are up to 37% returns. Well, very nice. And you can see here, this one was more straight up, but the same move, right? Beautiful. We don't have any gold. We'd like to get some, but it's got to come all the way down again. And same for silver, right? So you can see in, out, and it just hasn't come back down. So life's good there. I'm also doing a little day trading here on SPXL. I'm doing on the 5-minute, and we had some opportunity. We got in yesterday and one position, average down, sold at the open. It was beautiful. So, there are some, there's a lot of ways to do the markets. We did get filled here at, it skipped us at first, but we did get filled on Spectrum here. Look like 100 moon there. So we will get this dividend, which is nice. But we got to get our records up to date. And I really am making another commitment to making sure that when the market's down, I'm moving in the main account as well. You've got to eat your own cooking, and this stuff works. It's just real easy to lose interest because the gains are so small, but they do compound at an incredible rate. So it's just 1,000 paper cuts, right? We also got filled for EMR, which I believe was a swing trade we did yesterday. Yeah, beautiful. So if it breaks out above the 200, watch out. Watch out. Looks like we got filled at 88.59 per share. We've got all the commodities out of the way. Oh, we do have a trade recap. Sold last night when I was at the youth group meeting. We did unload on Coca-Cola. And what a fine trade it was. Obviously, we would have made more had we stayed in. But I don't think that way. I'm grateful to get what I get. And I don't throw a fit. Heard that from someone I used to work with. Looks like our sell price was a 58.03. And one thing I like about getting out early too is whoever buys this from me can still make some money. It's not the tippy top, which nobody knows where it is anyway. Looks like 4.3% gainer in about a month, and annualized to 55.99% annualized. And somebody else will get the glorious dividend as well. This is a top 10 stock for me. So I'm going to put it down here with the boys. All right. And I believe that's it. We had the day trade thing. I started building another position in that too. I know you probably don't care, and it's probably hard for me to explain. But it should be pretty easy to freaking see. We got alerted right here, right off the 200. See the 30 RSI? So we're in profits again. On the daily, we're just going to go through here and look to see if we have things we can sell. Remember, we got the 450 put, so we'd like to hold them if we can, but we've had the shares before. We've had them at $6 a share, so having them at 450 only a few weeks later probably isn't the end of the world, do you think? Try to remember to look for a second entries here as we look for a 70 RSI or close abouts. Another thing I like about selling early too is when I get out early, a lot of times, not a lot of times, but occasionally it won't ever hit the 70 and it'll go back down. And that makes you feel like you really tricked the system, even though when it does work out, you end up leaving money on the table. What do you think about this one? Seeing all this resistance here, I think I'm okay getting out of this one as well. We do have the 200 coming up. We'll have a wonky day Friday. There's a lot of market participants aren't really doing the deal. They're kind of on vacation or whatever they do. But they always keep a track of the markets, because now you can just do it on your phone. At least see the quotes, right? The big market players aren't trading on Robinhood, but humble beginnings. Yeah, we'll go ahead and put that one in 93.82 for me. If you decide you want to hold on to this one, that's your own prerogative. Life is good. I'm still trying to free up some capital, but all these are like tiny little positions, so I really need some bigger positions to move, and that's reliant on the premium content. So Hawaiian Electric is not playing well. See, this one you could argue similar story, but we're above the 200 is a different story, and that's the one the institutions use a lot is the 200. So as long as we're above that, I'm not scared to hold it and let it go. All right, so we got nothing, right? Let's go down here and see if we can find a swing. We had some oil plays that were close yesterday. Looks like fixed income did good. So we're good there. We don't really care about those share prices, but we just don't want them going too far south, right? All right, we'll try to buzz through these. We're really looking for that 30 RSI hit to help speed up the process. And it's kind of cool seeing the dots now because you've seen which ones we've taken and how they work out even after we get out of the trade. And this one's close, very close. So, and hopefully when 2 or 3 of them hit, we have the cash flow to take advantage. You know what I mean? This is one we talked about the other day, man. I think you could buy that, personally. You can buy whatever you want. Damn sure don't just buy what I buy. That's really dumb. Don't do that. But if you understand why I'm buying certain things and you can formulate your own strategy based on that, then I think there's a lot of value in watching somebody that's consistent. So that's what I provide. some of these happened. We just didn't have the cash. That's all right. And I wouldn't mind stacking some cash either. Um, we can start taking less positions but bigger size, you know. All right, the old Hasbro. We've been watching this one. It still needs another day. Um, Man, that one worked out real nice, didn't it? We chickened out, chickened out. That's all right. I just get used to it. What really attracted me to the markets wasn't the home run hits. It was the when I found out about the compound interest calculator and how a bunch of small gains really compound at an incredible rate. So that's really what I enjoy about the market. I'm sure everybody else is different, and people that are willing to take the bigger swings probably get the bigger rewards, but they strike out more often too, right? So uh, this comes down to personality, I think. Some knocking on the door, but I don't know. We're about done with the list here. We caught a good rotation. We made a lot of money swinging. This company's in bad shape. Oh, this is the frickin'. We're definitely not trading that. All right. It looks like a no go for anything else, but the market was up. We did sell, made 4.3%. See if you can beat that in your 401k. Spoiler alert, it ain't happening. You know, learn a skill. If you want to get a second job and do all that, you're going to be capped as your earning potential. If you start a business, most likely you'll be capped at the rate of capital you can generate to fund the business, right? Uh, if you strike gold, I mean, that's the fastest way to make money is with the business. So don't let me deter you there, but you know, selling Tupperware ain't the thing, or candles or whatever people do. It's not it. If you learn trading, like I'm trying to show here, you can start at a smaller rate or maybe not make anything for a while, but then your time gets leveraged to where you spend the same 30 minutes a day working on it and you earn tons of money. So I hope this is helpful to you. Have an awesome Thanksgiving. Stay safe out there. Don't get too messed up. And we'll catch you after the holiday. No trading tomorrow. Peace.